Hello, my YouTube family. How are you? I hope all of you will be in good health. I will pray for your good health and for your happy life. Well, stay safe. Well, my friends, today we will talk on olive. That how many types, I have, and what are the benefits of olive oil or olive. So, friends, without wasting your time, let's start our video. First of all, I will explain to my friends its benefits with girls and women. That what are health benefits of the olive oil or olive. So, friends, olive is a perfect diet. Well, it's uh, alternative source of fruits and vegetables. If you can't buy fruits, if you can't buy vegetables, so you have to eat olive oil or olive. Well, it's time that which time you have to eat olive oil. When you get up early in the morning, so on empty stomach you have to eat or drink olive oil or olive. So for girls and women, well, it is best in fertility and also reproductive system, and it's also if you have any kind of skin disease like allergy, skin allergy, or you have dots, or you have wrinkles, or you have any kind of skin disease, so it is best for the skin diseases or for your skins, because it's finish all its diseases and make it strong and make it soft. While another thing is for hairs, for all women and males and women. Well, for hairs, it is best if you have any kind of disease for of your hairs, so you have to start olive oil. If it's broken or it's not growing or any kind of disease you have about hair, so you have to start the olive oil or olive. Well, another best thing of is that arthritis. If you have disease of arthritis, so you have to start eating or drink olive oil, because it is best to stop or recover your health in that case. It is also best in cancer, and also well, I have one thing that homeopathic doctor, he shares idea with me that in blood pressure or in sugar, in these medicines it's only stop the sugar level, and it doesn't have the right to recover your health. So olive oil is the best to start and stop your blood pressure and make it balance, and also for sugar, if you have any kind of sugar or anything like that, so you have to stop, you have to start olive oil or olive eating on empty stomach, half tablespoon, and you will, inshallah, you will see its advantages and its benefits. It will stop sugar and also recover your all cells, because olive is the one diet that recovers cells, and it's defending the cells and also cell membrane, so it recover all your cells and also cell membrane. So that is why sugar, when you have sugar, so it stop the sugar and recover all your health back. Well, I also told you that it is the best thing. Well, if I'm telling you about the advantages of fruits are like olive, I pomegranates also, so I have only one thing, that I wants to motivate the people that they must grow trees, or they must grow its own fruits or its own food, because they will get fresh food or vegetables, and also they will help the environment to get back it. So so olive have oleic acid, which is beneficial properties to protect your heart from many disease. Well, olive oil and olive is best, and which is finish, eliminate, stop cholesterol in your blood. Well, olive have a benefit that which burn your fats in your body. It's I told you that it's very rich in vitamin E and uh, antioxidant, which is protecting your body from many kind of disease or harmful bacteria. Well, these olive oil are rich and have many minerals like potassium, sodium, phosphorus, and iodine, iron, etc., which is best for your body. And you, on 1 tablespoon or a half tablespoon, you can get all these things. These are only a few things that I share with you. But olive oil contains many things. If you Google it, if you search it, and if you research on it, so you will know about the olive oil on olive, that how much it is healthy for your health, how much it is benefit, giving you benefit if you eat it. So I will suggest all of you friends that every one of you must have to grow olive in your homes, in your farms, and on your lands, and get fresh olive, which helps your body, which protecting you, which protect your bodies, which are giving you good health, which save you from many disease. Well, I forgotten one thing, that it's protecting cell membrane and cell, and that is why olive oil is best in cancer. If you eat, so it will protect your cells in your body, protect your cell membrane in your body, and it will finish the cancer. And if it's have any kind of signs, so it will finish all these things. So friends, these were the benefits of olive oil. You hear and you see that I share with you. So let's start to see its type, that how much type I have. Well, friends, I have only two types of olive. Two trees are Spanish olive, and one is our Pakistani Punjab olive. So let's have a look on these trees. Have a look, please. So friends, these are Spanish trees, Spanish olive. See, let's see that is there there are any olive or not. Yes, here are, see, olive. See, it is fresh and clean from every kind of toxic spray or pesticide spray. See, these are, see these two. See, well, it's full. But I will share you one thing. In Spanish olive, if you want to plant it, so you have to plant 2 or 3 plants at one place, because they will give you olive in that case. And if you plant one, so you will not get the fruit of it, because it's natural growth. See, in this position you have to plant it. If you see, so I told you that in Spanish olive you have to plant 2 or 3 trees at one place, then you will get its fruit. And if you plant one, and so you will not get the fruit of Spanish olive. See, very healthy, and it's also looks so beautiful from see, very beautiful from area. And it's starting now, it's the season that it's starting the olive. If you see these, see, so it's the season that it started olive. So it's Spanish olive. See, very healthy and very much beautiful too, and also very healthy plant too. See, and this is another type of olive, which is Punjab olive, which is our country olive. And Punjab is our province here in Pakistan, so that is why I bring it from there. And see, it's very healthy and growing very fast. It's a child, so that is why it doesn't have olive yet. So it will start, I think, next year. And this olive have that you can plant it single also. It will give you fruit olive. See, very healthy and very nice. So friends, these were the health benefits and type that I have in my home and my garden of olive. So we must think about, well, it's very hot here, and that is why I have, it's burning hot here in Peshawar. So friends, if we think and if we start farming or if we start planting, so we will get many things: fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, fresh olive, and we will get our health and environment back. We will get our earth back. So you all know about the benefits, health benefits of olive. So I hope all of you will start planting the olive. So when we start planting the trees, so we will get many things, like we will get our environment back, we will get our earth back, we will get our health back, we will get our forest back, we will get our everything that we lost in environment, we will get it back. It's not duty of one person or two person or 3%. It's the duty of all of us. If I belong from Pakistan, so it's my duty to start planting trees. If you are from India, so it's your duty to start planting trees. Any kind of tree that you like and not expensive. Don't need any kind of expensive trees, normal trees, cheap trees, but you have to start planting it. If you belong from any country, from any society, from any nation, you have to start planting now, because we have a good decision. We have to take a good decision now that we must plant the trees and we will get all these back that I told you. So friend, if you are new, so please subscribe my channel, and if you are old, so please like it, share it, and share with your friends also share it on Facebook, and also share it on WhatsApp groups. I will be thankful. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.